Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today we are going to discuss how you can add WhatsApp chat leads into Google Contacts automatically. Herein, I am going to integrate these two different applications, WhatsApp and Google Contacts, with the help of Pabbly Connect, so that whenever I receive any new message on my WhatsApp account regarding the inquiry about my mobile phone repair business, I add those particular contacts in my Google Contact list automatically. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing automation, then let me take you right onto my screen. Alright, so now we are on my screen, and in this video I am going to create an amazing integration between WhatsApp Cloud API and Google Contacts with the help of Pabbly Connect, wherein whenever I will receive any new message notification on my WhatsApp account, a contact with that same number will automatically get created on my Google Contact. So now I will show you a quick real-time example of how this workflow runs. So for that, I will go onto my WhatsApp account, and this is the number of the mobile store that I run for my business. And here you can see I have typed in the following message. Hello there, I have an inquiry regarding the repair of my smartphone. Now I will send this message, and here you can see my message is delivered, and you can see this was the name that I had entered in my WhatsApp account from which I have just sent this message. Now I will go to the Google Contacts, and there I will check if a new contact with this same name has been created in my account or not. So this is my Google account. I will simply search here dummy user, and here you can see this is the contact with name dummy user, and it has been successfully saved in my Google Contact. Now I will show you guys how you can also create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for that, you just have to go on this new tab, and you have to enter pabbly.com/connect and open up this website. Then you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Connect, wherein on this top right corner you can see there are two options available to us: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free tasks every month to create such amazing automations and explore our application. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to click on this sign in button. But before moving further, let me just share about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 subscribers, wherein individuals post their doubts and ask their queries, which in return are answered by our experts. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I have added the link of this community in our description box. You can join in our community from that particular link. And now, as I am an existing user, so I'll just simply click on this sign in button. And here you can see I have landed on this all apps page of Pabbly, wherein Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today we will be using Pabbly Connect. So I will just click on this access now button. Now I will land on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In this right corner, you can see there is a button. I can start building my workflow by clicking on this button. And on this left corner here, you can see this plus button is given to me in front of this folder. I can simply click on this plus button and create folders to store my workflows and stay organized. Now I will click on this create workflow button, and you can see these two workflow builders come in front of me. First one is the new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and the other one is our classic version, which is stable and familiar approach. So for now I will be selecting this classic version. You can see this dialog box appears in front of me. So first of all, I will give my workflow a meaningful name as how to add WhatsApp chat leads into Google Contacts. And from this box here, I can select folder in which I want to store my workflow. So I will select this particular folder and click on this create button. And here you can see our workflow is created successfully. And then these two principal concepts, trigger and action, come in front of us. This first box is trigger and the second box is actions. If we talk about their definition, trigger says whenever this happens, action says do this. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, or we can say the two building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger is basically the event on the occurrence of which our workflow starts, and this action is the response towards our trigger. And to help you better understand how exactly these trigger and action boxes work, let me just discuss my objective for today's video. So for today, I run a mobile repair shop, and for my business, I receive hundreds of inquiries daily through WhatsApp. Now what I want is that whenever I receive any new inquiry through WhatsApp, I want to save those particular numbers in my Google contacts for easy callback. And for today, my trigger application will be WhatsApp Cloud API, and my trigger event will be message notification. This means that I want my workflow to get triggered whenever I receive any new message notification through WhatsApp Cloud API. And for my action application, I will select Google Contacts because I want to create a new contact on Google Contact whenever I receive any new message through my WhatsApp account, and that's why my action event will be create contact. Now, as we know that there is no native integration between WhatsApp Cloud API and Google Contacts, so I will take help of Pabbly Connect to integrate these two different applications. Now, first of all, I will connect my trigger application, my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. For this, you can see Pabbly Connect has given us this webhook URL here. Webhook URL is like an address. Like if I copied this webhook URL from here and I have pasted it in my WhatsApp API Cloud account, then whenever any new inquiry is received by me through WhatsApp, this webhook URL will bring back that particular data to Pabbly Connect. So I will simply click on this copy button, and now I have to follow these following steps explained under this hyperlink. You have to click on this and then you will land on this WhatsApp Cloud API. Now you have to read these following instructions to successfully connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And in here, in this second step, you can see this verified token is given to us. So I will copy this verified token from here, and then you have to open and reach to this WhatsApp Cloud API by reading the instructions given in the previous page. So if I tell you directly, you have to enter on the new tab developers.facebook.com, and from there you have to choose the selected apps that you have created in your developers account, and then you will land on this app dashboard. And when inside this app dashboard, you have to click on this configuration, and here are the two options given to us: callback URL and verified token. And in this verified token field, I will paste the token that I had just copied from the instructions given to us by Pabbly Connect. And for this callback URL, I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account and I will copy this webhook URL again from here, and I will go to my Cloud API and I will paste that particular webhook URL here. And now I will click on this verify and save button, and here you can see our connection is successfully established. Now I have to scroll down and look out for this messages option and check if this message option is toggled on or not. And if it is on, then I will click on this test button to check if my WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect or not. So I will just simply click on this test, and then I will click on this send to server, and here you can see our message is sent successfully. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account and see if we have captured any response or not. And you can see we have received this test response. This means that our first step of integration is working all good. Now I will connect my action step, my Google Contacts with Pabbly Connect. For that, I will again click on this connect button, and these two options are given to us. If I am connecting my Google Contact for the first time with Pabbly Connect, then I will go with this add new connection button. And if I had already connected my Google Contact account with Pabbly Connect, then I will go for this select existing connection. So for today, I will go with this add new connection button, and then I will click on this sign in with Google. And from this left side here, I will select my Gmail account, and then by clicking on this continue button, I will authorize Pabbly Connect access to my Google Contact account. While clicking on this continue button, you do not have to worry about your data breaches, as your data is secured with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on this continue button, and here you can see our authorization is successful. Now I have to fill up these following fields to successfully integrate my Google Contact with Pabbly Connect. And to fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping. You can do mapping by simply clicking on this enter text or map data box, and from here you can see the response that we had received in our previous step, in our trigger step WhatsApp Cloud API. When you will click on this drop down here, you can see all the details that we had captured in our last step are now in front of us. So from this drop down here, I will map the dummy details that we had received in our previous trigger step. So this was the dummy name, and if you want, you can also fill up the middle name and the last name of your customer. You can also add name prefix, name suffix. You can choose gender, phone number, mobile. So for this phone number mobile, I will map the data again. So you can see this was the phone number of my customer. So I have mapped it from here. And you can fill up any of these fields if you want to fill them, but for now, as they are not mandatory, so I will skip them. And you can see I have mapped the name and mobile number of my customer, and I know that you must be confused that why I have mapped these following details and why I have not typed them manually. So if I explain you in easy terms, mapping is like when we map data, it becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I filled these fields manually, like if I will enter the name of my customer manually like this, then this text will remain static forever until we manually change it. So this means that we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to remain static, I will type it manually. But if I want some data to get changed automatically, like this name and mobile number of my customer, then I will map it. So I have successfully filled all the details that I wanted to fill. Now, after filling all the details, I will click on this save and send test request button, and we will wait for response. And here you can see we have received this response. A new person as a new contact named as this is saved in my contacts application. Now I will go back to my WhatsApp account and I will again send a test message to see if a new contact is created on my Google contact application or not. So I will type in my text as hello there, I have an inquiry regarding the repair of my smartphone. Now I will send this message, and for sending this message I have entered my name as testing user. So we will go back to our Google contact and now we will search testing user, and here you can see a new contact with this name testing user is created on my Google contact, and this is the number of my customer. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and in this workflow I still have to add one more step because I want to create a new contact only when I receive any customer inquiry and not on any other WhatsApp text. So for this I will take help of another software by Pabbly Connect known as filter. So I will select my action application as filter and I will select my action event as filter values. Now I will click on this connect button, and here you can see from this select label option I will again take help of mapping, and I will select the body of text because I want my workflow to get triggered only if it contains the term inquiry in the body of that particular message. So this means that whenever I will receive any new message through my WhatsApp account, if that particular message contains the term inquiry, then only my workflow will trigger, and if not, then my workflow will not trigger. So I will click on this save and send test request button, and here you can see our message condition is true. This means that the message that I had just sent had this term inquiry included in it. That's why this particular number got created as a contact in my Google contacts application. So here you can see in just 3 simple steps I have created this amazing automation which will work instantly. Like whenever I will receive any new message notification with the term inquiry included in the body of that text, that particular number will automatically get created as a contact in my Google contact application. And I have created this amazing integration and automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to clone this workflow, so for you I have added a link of this particular workflow in the description box of this video. For more such amazing videos, please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.